We got to get to a point to where we start loud talking for Jesus. Amen. We have to be as verbal and vocal for Christ as the world is against him. As a matter of fact, you know, you go now and you can go into a store and folk are singing songs and they are just full of cuss words, not curse words, cuss words. Amen. Just, and they ain't bleeping them out in the store, just cussing. You know what I decided I'm going to start doing? I'm going to start humming, "Have you tried Jesus?" You know, in the store, just humming.